We're teaching you how to make money in the real world. We're teaching you how to get assets, a real asset. This is why I don't do Bitcoin. I don't do digital currency and any of that stuff, man. I don't buy stock. Why? I don't. I'm sorry. I just don't, because it's not real and it can be manipulated. And one bad choice can lose you a lot of money. Let's do it. All right. Creative strategy number 3, the secret to owning nothing but controlling everything. Controlling. Option to buy. This is important. It's the right to purchase or lease a property upon specified terms within a specified period of time. All right. So guys, I need you to write this down and take this note, because this is the thing, right? When you get in the inner circle and you're with us, you know, we're spending our time with you. You can reach out to us and we'll help you through a situation or whatever. We won't let you do anything that is nuclear. It's damn near impossible if you're with us. Like there's nothing that you can do that is a nuclear button to your situation, to your financial situation, to your real estate situation, or to your life. It's pretty much impossible. However, if you are not, I just need you to understand the framework and what we can and can't do, because I don't want you to go out there and to do something and do it wrong and then cost yourself money, hurt a person that you were trying to help, because that could be, you know, devastating mentally, right? And it doesn't have to be that way. Okay. So for those of you that were strong enough to deal with my craziness, well, you're going to have the opportunity to continue your learning with the inner circle, or at least independently, having the best paperwork and processes in the game. Your lawyer is going to be like, where did you get this? This is amazing. So the option to buy, understand this and write this down. With an option, guys, we're not going to live there. And then we're also not going to put a tenant buyer in there on an option. An option is like a listing agreement with a realtor. We are getting control of that property, making sure that they can't sell it to anybody else. And then if we put some new carpet in there, throw some paint on there, or we don't do anything, it gives us time to find a buyer. So I always recommend with an option, never sign an option that is less than a minimum 6 months. I really want to say a year, honestly, but you can do a 6-month option that gives you control. So this is how it works. Is that another distressed homeowner? Well, guess what? I can help. I'm going to take a picture like this and put it on my website holding a laptop, because we can help in real estate situations that most real estate professionals 10, 20, 25 years. Janelle Eagle Robles with the $1 Million Deal. The mortgage broker in her small city in California of Los Osos, who's known in her city, man, been doing it for 25 years, was like, Janelle, I'm going to make you come over to my house and I'm going to cook you dinner so you can walk me through this deal, because this is amazing. Now, what she should have did is took all the credit for it, but she didn't. She let it be known who actually got that done for her. Okay. So anyway, you'll be a unicorn. Option to buy. This is what happens. We are getting the house under contract. We're getting control of that property for a time period so that we can go out and we can work our magic, because guess what we do? We sprinkle pixie dust all over real estate situations. When we walk in the room, it's pixie dust falling out my pockets now. I'm like, man, I'm just leaving trails of pixie dust everywhere. Anyway, the deed stays with the seller. Oh, look at him. He don't even got his hands in his head anymore. You want to know why? Because he's better off, because he met one of us. He can sleep at night now. I think if you listen to that call with me and David, I told David that. I told him, David, you can sleep better at night now because we're on the job. We got this. He wanted to meet me. He like, when am I going to meet you? I said, brother, I'm in Iowa. It's going to be a while. So the deed stays with the seller. Now, with our option, we want to have that option for 1 to 5 years, because we can structure an option many ways. We can pay an option. We can give them $500 right now to have the option for a year and sell it at their price that they want, right? We'll pay them the price that they want. Or we can give them money month to month and then pay the rest off in a year, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, whatever. However you can structure it. Our baseline is what is their problem, and then what is their pleasure. That's the barometer. That's it. So he's happy now. Guess what we get again? We get the financial interest, the paperwork, the ink on paper, and then, is that a bag of money? I like money. It's beautiful, man.